¿Cómo estás? Look at the nieve, mucho nieve. Look at the nieve. So, as you can see, it's another miserable winter in New York City. So, you know what? Let's just skip town for a little while, shall we? Let's head on out to the airport. Let's go somewhere where it's nice and warm. Okay, we got a big blizzard here in January. Getting ready to leave New York. Go down to the Dominican Republic. JetBlue de-icing team. Ready to go. De-icing the plane. This is what I gotta deal with. This is what I gotta deal with all the way to Santo Domingo. So about 3 hours into the flight, we're about 20 minutes from landing in Santo Domingo, and we're flying over my peninsula, where is my house. Where I'm zooming in is my area. As you can see, the Samana Peninsula is loaded with beachfront property. It's an amazing place. You really gotta come check it out. So here I am. I'm in my house in Samana. That's my stars inside my living room. It's just a projection. I wanted to catch the end of the video where the plane was landing, but my battery was dying in the phone. So I couldn't get the applause and all that, but we landed safely. And man, what turbulence on that flight. There was so much turbulence, it was unbelievable. I was actually pretty scared. It was the first time I've been scared for turbulence. I'm a pilot. But man, but we made it through. We're punching through all that severe blizzards down south of New York, down by Virginia. But of course, where it cut out through the ocean there, we had to pass through some of it. It was pretty intense. Even at 35,000 feet, we're in the soup up there, in the clouds. Anyway, so it's just good to be here, and check me back soon for some more videos. All right? Thanks for watching. Peace.